Hey guys, welcome back. So this one is going to be pretty simple. It's going to kind of be like what we talked about before. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a way to see what we typed. Okay, so in this video we will actually write some CSS again. So let's create a lab here, and I'll call it style this time, styles.css, and we'll start off with this first. We'll also do p big. We'll do font size, and we'll say equals 3. Okay, and then we'll do a div tag here, and in our div tag we'll say border. We'll do 5px, and solid. I'll make mine red. You can make yours anything, and we'll have a margin, and we'll call it 10px. All right, so let's change that, save it, perfect. Let's create a new file. This time we will call this file see what you typed. Oops. .html. All right, perfect. So we're gonna see what we typed. .html. Let's just start off with some stuff that we could copy over from before. Copy this. Actually, let's do this. Copy this code right here. Go over here and paste it in. Oops. I'll make this task. I think it's task 4. This one right here, we're going to change it to style. Styles, I think I call it. Yeah, styles. We already need that, so that's perfect. So in this case right here, we're going to have a form and we're going to have a script. So we're going to have two different things going on here. So let's actually start off with the form first. So we'll say form method equals post, and we'll just put something. Enter your favorite sports team. Okay, and then we'll do BR, and then we'll do an input. So we'll put input type equals text. So what we're doing is creating a text box for our code. We'll say ID equals sports team, and we'll close it, and we'll do this, and then we'll do a button. So we'll say input type equals, and I'll call it submit. You could have save, you could whatever you want to do, that's fine. I'll close the form out. So let's kind of end some of this stuff here. So let's end the heading, let's end the HTML. Let's save it real quick. We haven't did anything with it yet, but all right. So what do we just see what you typed? So right now it's blah blah blah. Nothing happens. That's fine. So let's go back to the code. We need to add some script coding on here. So let's go down to script, and let's add the shell. Perfect. There we go. All right. So now in the script here, I'm going to indent in a little bit. I'm going to do $, and I will do form, because that's what we're doing here, a form. And as you see here, as we get used to doing everything, we're doing something and $, and then we're doing on. And I'll say submit. So when that gets submitted, we will call a function. And let's take that out, because that won't work. And the submit, we're going to make sure that's in parentheses like that. We're passing in that argument. We're doing let's do a left curly brace, and we'll say var first name equals $. So what we're saying is we're declaring a variable name, and then we're passing in what we're passing in the input pound, and actually we said first name. What am I thinking? I wanted to go first name, but I want to go sports team. All right, so we'll do hashtag, and we will actually, you know how I have this up here, that will be a problem. So let's make that underscore, or we'll have a problem later on. So we'll put input, and I'll put sports team, and we have that, and we'll do .val, like that, perfect. Two ways that we're gonna write it. We're gonna write the alert. Actually, let's do it 2 ways. Let's do the first way. So let's say document.write and then say your favorite sports team is, and I'll put a space here so we allow room. I'll do plus, so, and we'll add that variable name, which is sports team, right there, and close that out right there, and then we'll do the ending tag there. So now I'll save it. I'll go out here real quick, refresh it. Yeah, it doesn't like that, so let me go back and save it. And do see what you typed. I'll say, in this case, I'll say Los Angeles Lakers and hit submit. And there, oh, we have a little problem there. Okay, your favorite team is object HTML input element. I don't think that was my favorite team. So let me go back and see where I messed up at. So something is a little screwy, and that's fine, it happens. What did I do? So I have my script there, do form on submit. I know I did something wrong. Function, all right, so I'll separate that out a little bit, that's fine. Sports team, let's see here, let's do this. I don't think this is the problem, but I'm just trying it. Bar sports team equals input, which we have, and then we have pound sports team that I have up here. You know, for the heck of it, let's change this. I'm just gonna make everything lowercase, and it might not be the problem, but I'm just doing it anyways. Team, all right, so sports team, we'll change that to sports team, perfect. Dot val, okay, document dot write. We'll put your favorite sports team is, and we have plus, and let's change that to sports team. It might be the problem, we'll see. We close the script. All right, so let's save it. Let's go back to what it was before, and refresh and see what you typed. And I'll put Steelers this time and hit submit. Now that worked. So I think it was because I put an uppercase and I went against the JavaScript jQuery family. Don't like that, so you have to change that. All right. So let's say that I wanted to do a different approach. I wanted to do an alert. So how can we do that? We could just type an alert, and I could do the same thing and say your favorite sports team is, and then, oops. We're gonna do plus, and we can enter the variable in here. And just close it off. Save it. Go back. Click in it. And this time also my favorite team is, oh, what other team I like? Well, I'm gonna choose the team I want to win the Super Bowl. I'm gonna say LA Rams, because I don't want the Patriots to win. Hit submit. And there you go. Your favorite sports team is the LA Rams. Just like that. That right there is the end of this video, and hopefully you've learned something from it. If not, see me. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.